exercises solution of mathematics for class 9, new syllabus, latest edition 2020-21, KPK textbook, board Peshawar. In this tutorial we will solve the question of exercise 1.6 of chapter 1, which is about the matrices. So until now we have covered our 5 exercises, which is about the basics and addition, subtraction, multiplication and other related characteristics and properties of matrices. Now this exercise is about the application of matrices, that how we can use the matrices for the solution of simultaneous linear equation. The detailed discussions about the simultaneous linear equation and algebraic expressions will be covered in chapter number 4 about the algebraic expression and algebraic formulas, and it will be discussed there in detail. But here we are only interested in the application of matrices for the solution of simultaneous equation. For example, if we have a system of two linear equation in which we have two variable x and y, so the general form will be ax plus by, for example, is equal to m, and cx plus dy is equal to n. This is the general form of the simultaneous linear equation, or system of two linear equation. Now we have to solve it. We have to find out the value of x and y. So by using the matrices we have two methods. One is called the matrix inversion method. So in this method, first we are taking out the coefficient a, b, c and d from that equation. Suppose this is the matrix of variable, and at the right side we have the constant m and n. Okay, so let call it matrix A. This is matrix X and this is matrix B. Now if both sides of this equation is multiplied by inverse of the matrix A, okay, means suppose we called it matrix A. So if this side is multiplied by inverse of matrix A and this side is also multiplied by matrix inverse of matrix A, so from A inverse multiplied by A we will get what? We will get the identity matrix, okay, and it will be equal to A inverse and B. Now if the identity matrix is multiplied by with X, we will get X and it will be equal to A inverse B. So now what is X? X is from here we will get that, see, A inverse is 2 by 2 matrix and B is 2 by 1 matrix. So we will get what? We will get 2 by 1 matrix. Okay, so we will get the value of X and Y. Okay, so this is the matrix inversion method. Now second method we have the Cramer rules. Okay, this is another method which is used for the solution of the system of linear equation. So again, for example, if we have that general system of equation, ax by is equal to, suppose, m, and cx plus dy is equal to n. So again, if we take out the coefficient, it will be a, b, c and d. Okay, then we will have x and y, which are the variable in which we are interested to determine its value. M and n, these are the constant. Okay, now suppose this is matrix A. Okay, now replace the first column of matrix A by matrix B. Okay, so it will become M, N, B and D. That will be matrix A. Mean just replace the first column of matrix A by this constant value. Similarly, if we replace the second column of matrix A by that values, then it will be called, suppose, matrix AY. Okay, then A, C, M and N. Okay, that is AY. Then we have the formula that x will be equal to the determinant of AX matrix divided by the determinant of matrix A, and Y will be equal to the determinant of a Y matrix divided by AX matrix. So this is called the Cramer's rule. Okay, again, if we have the general system of equation, take out its coefficient, so it will be A, B, C, D, that is matrix A, this is matrix X, and this is matrix B. Okay, so first replace the first column of matrix A by matrix B, so that is called AX matrix. Then replace the second column of matrix A by matrix B, that will be called the AY. So then X is equal to determinant of AX divided by determinant of A, and Y is equal to determinant of AY divided by determinant of matrix A. Okay, so these two methods will be used for the solution of simultaneous linear equation. And we have the real life problems which can be solved. So many real life problems require for their solution the finding of two unknown quantities. Mean in real life problem we will have a problem in which we will have two unknown, so we will convert it into system of equation and then we will solve it through the matrices. Let's solve the question of exercise 1.6. So question number 1 is solve the following system of linear equation using inversion method, matrix inversion method. So from the first question, okay, just write the variable. So see, for the first question, that is suppose A, this is B, okay, and here this is C is 1 and D is -1, so 1 minus 1, okay, write the coefficient multiplied by that X matrix is equal to matrix B. Now here the constant is -1 and another constant is 2. Okay, so now you can see that we have matrix A, we have matrix X, and we have matrix B. Okay, we have to find out X, and we know that X is equal to A inverse, okay, multiplied by matrix B. So now first we have to find out the A inverse matrix. So A inverse matrix is equal to 1 over determinant of A multiplied by adjoint of A. Okay, so first to find out the determinant, now see, determinant will be 2 multiplied by -1, it will be -2. 3 multiplied by 1, it will be -3 is equal to -5. So that is the determinant of A multiplied by adjoint. So interchange these two elements, so it will be -1 and 2. Interchange these two elements, change the sign of these two elements, so -3 and -1. Now the inverse of A is equal to 1 divided by 5, 3 divided by 5, 1 divided by 5, -2 divided by 5. This is A inverse. Okay, now we know that X is equal to A inverse multiplied by B. Okay, so now multiply with this matrix, multiply this matrix B. Okay, so the first row with this column, so 1 by 5 multiplied by -1, it will be -1 by 5 plus 3 by 5 multiplied by 2, it will be 6 divided by 5. Okay, similarly the second row with this column, so 1 by 5 multiplied by -1, again it will be -1 over 5 plus -2 by 5 multiplied by 2, so it will be -4 by 5. Now when you simplify it, so -1 over 5 plus 6 over 5, it will be 5 by 5 are 1. -1 over 5 plus -4 by 5, it will be -5 divided by 5, it will be -1. Okay, so X matrix is equal to 1 minus 1. So it means that the solution is XY is equal to 1 comma -1. That is the solution of the first question. Okay, Now for the second question, again first write the question in matrices form. So write the coefficients here 1 and 2. Okay, 1 and 2. Then we have 3 and 6. 3 and 6 multiplied by the variable, okay, x and y is equal to the constant, which is minus 13 and 11. Okay, now suppose that is matrix A, this is matrix X, and this is matrix B. Now we know that X will be equal to A inverse and B. Okay, so first find out A inverse. So A inverse is equal to 1 over A determinant. Determinant is 1 multiplied by 6 minus 2 multiplied by 6. It is equal to 0. So remember, now here the A inverse is not possible. So if A inverse is not possible, then we cannot solve this system of equation. Okay, so this system of equation is not solvable because its determinant is equal to 0. So, and if the determinant is equal to 0, then the inverse cannot be determined, and if the inverse is not determinable, then we cannot solve the system of equation by this method. Okay, now suppose solve this question. Again write it in simplified form, in matrix form. So 1 minus 2, you can write it first here, x minus 2y is equal to 1. Bring this one into the right hand side. 2x plus y is equal to minus 3. Okay, so 1 minus 2 and 2 and 1. Okay, that is x y, okay, is equal to 1 and minus 3. Okay, so this is matrix A, this is matrix X, and this is matrix B. Now we know that X matrix will be equal to A inverse and matrix B. So first we have to find out the A inverse. So A inverse is equal to 1 over determinant of A. So determinant of A is 1 multiplied by 1 is 1, minus 2 multiplied by 2, that is minus 4, is equal to 5. So determinant of A is 5, multiplied by adjoint of A. So interchange these two and change the sign of these two. Okay, so the inverse is equal to 1 by 5, 2 by 5, and minus 2 by 5, and 1 by 5. Okay, now we know that X is equal to A inverse multiplied by B. So A inverse this row with this column. So 1 by 5 multiplied by 1, that is 1 by 5, plus 2 by 5 multiplied by 3, so it is minus 6 by 5. Okay, and second row with column. So minus 2 by 5 multiplied by 1, that is minus 2 by 5, plus 1 by 5 multiplied by minus 3, so it is minus 3 by 5. Now just simplify it. So 1 by 5 plus minus 6 by 5, it will be minus 5 divided by 5, it is minus 1, and minus 2 by 5 plus minus 3 by 5, it will be minus 5 divided by 5 is equal to minus 1. So the solution of this question number 4 is minus 1 and minus 1. Okay, similar procedure will be used for this question. Question number 2, solve the following system of linear equation using the Cramer's rule. Okay, so again for this question, first write it in matrix form. So here we have 1, here we have minus 2, here we have 2, and here we have minus 1. Okay, multiplied by x y is equal to 5 and 6. Okay, now this is matrix A. So the determinant of this matrix A is equal to 1 multiplied by minus 1, that is minus 1, minus 2 multiplied by 4, so that is minus 4. So the determinant is 1 plus 4 minus 1 plus 4, that is 3. Okay, that is determinant of A. Clear? Now just find AX, matrix AX. So matrix AX will be equal to, replace the first column by this B matrix. Okay, so 5 6 minus 2 minus 1. Okay, now its determinant, mean determinant of AX will be equal to 5 multiplied by minus 1, that is minus 5, minus 2 multiplied by 6, that is minus 12. So 5 minus 5 plus 12, that will be 7. Okay, minus 5 plus 12, that will be 7. Similarly, now find the AY matrix. AY matrix is equal to, replace the second column by this matrix B, so it will be 1 over 1 2 5 and 6. Okay, and now find out the determinant of this AY matrix, which is equal to 1 multiplied by 6, that is 6, minus 5 multiplied by 2, so that is 10, and it will be equal to minus 4. Okay, now the X is equal to determinant of AX divided by determinant of A. Okay, so determinant of AX is 7 and determinant of A is 3. Okay, similarly Y is equal to determinant of AY, okay, divided by determinant of A. Okay, so that is equal to minus 4 divided by 3. So the solution is 7 by 3 and minus 4 by 3. So this is the solution of the first system of equation. Okay, now let's solve the next question. So write it in matrix form. It will be 4 3 1 minus 2. Okay, and this will be the X matrix is equal to B matrix, that will be minus 2 and 5. Okay, so this is matrix A, this is X, and this is matrix B. Now determinant of matrix A is equal to 4 multiplied by minus 2, so that is minus 8, minus 3 multiplied by 1, that is 3 is equal to minus 11. Now first find out the AX matrix. It will be equal to, replace the first column by matrix B, so that is minus 2 and 5, 3 and minus 2. Okay, now the determinant of AX matrix is equal to minus 2 multiplied by minus 2, it is 4, minus 3 multiplied by 5, that is 15, so it is equal to minus 11. Now take the AY matrix. It is equal to, replace the second column by matrix B, so it is 4 1 minus 2 and 5. Now find out the determinant of AY matrix. That will be equal to 4 5s are 20, minus 2 multiplied by 1, that is minus 2, and it is equal to 22. Okay, now X is equal to determinant of AX divided by determinant of A, so it is equal to 1. Similarly, Y is equal to determinant of AY, which is 22, divided by determinant of A, so it will be equal to minus 2. So the solution set for this question is 1 and minus 2. Okay, similar procedure will be applied for next question. Now we have the real life problem. So see, Amjad thought of two numbers whose sum is 12 and whose difference is 4. So let the one number is x and another number is y. So now the condition is sum is 12, so x plus y is equal to 12, and whose difference is 4, x minus y is equal to 4. Now we have to solve it by we can say that we have to solve it by the matrices. So convert it into matrices. It will be 1 1 1 minus 1, okay, and this will be x and y, and this will be is equal to 12 and 4. Okay, now suppose this is matrix A, this is matrix X, and this is matrix B. We have to find out matrix X, which is equal to A inverse multiplied by B. You can use the inversion method or you can use the Cramer method. So first find out A inverse, which is equal to 1 over determinant of A. So determinant of A is 1 multiplied by minus 1, that is minus 1, minus 1 multiplied by 1, so that is minus 2. Minus 2 multiplied by adjoint, so interchange these two, minus 1 and 1, and change the sign of the other two. Okay, now simplify it, so it will be 1 by 2, it will be 1 by 2, this will be 1 by 2, and this will be minus 1 by 2. That is the inverse. Okay, now we know that x is equal to A inverse multiplied by B. So the first row with this column, okay, so 1 over 2 multiplied by 12, it is 6, plus 1 over 2 multiplied by 4, so it is 2. Now second row with this column, 1 over 2 multiplied by 12, it is 6, minus 1 over 2 multiplied by 12, it will be minus 2. Now the number are 8 and 4. Okay, this is x and this is y. So now you can see that the sum of the number is 12 and the difference of the number are 4. The length of a rectangle playground is twice its width. Suppose the length of the ground is 1 playground and the width is w. Now the condition is given that the length is equal to twice of the width. The parameter is 30. So parameter is 2 times of length plus 2 times of width, that is equal to 30. Okay, suppose we have a rectangular playground, so that is the length, this is the length, this is the width, this is the width. So parameter is length plus width plus length plus width, so 2 times of length plus 2 times of width. And this equation can also be write as L minus 2W is equal to 0. Now we have to solve it, so convert it into matrices. So it will be 2 2 1 minus 2, okay, and here we will have x and y is equal to 30 and 0. Okay, first we have these equation, we have convert it into matrix form. Now suppose this is matrix A, this is matrix X, and this is matrix B. So we know that X is equal to A inverse and B. Okay, so first find out the A inverse. So A inverse is equal to the determinant of A. So 2 multiplied by minus 2, that is minus 4, minus 2 multiplied by 1, that is 2. So its determinant is minus 6, and the adjoint is interchange the primary diagonal and change the sign of the secondary diagonal. Okay, so the inverse is 1 by 3, that is 1 by 3, that is 1 by 6, this will be minus 1 by 3. Okay, now we know that x is equal to A inverse multiplied by matrix B. So the first row with column, so 1 by 3 multiplied by 30, we will get 10, plus 1 by 3 multiplied by 0, it will be 0. Now second row with this column, so 1 over 6 multiplied by 30, you will get 5, plus minus 1 over 3 multiplied by 0, that is 0. So the solution is 10 and 5. Okay, so length is equal to 10 unit and width is equal to 5 unit. Now 3 bags and 4 pen together cost 257, whereas 4 bag and 3 pen together cost 324. Find the cost of a bag and 10 pen. So let the bag is x and pen is y. Okay, so from the equation 3x plus 4y cost is 257. Okay, now 4 bag and 3 pen mean 4x plus 3y, its cost is 324. Okay, now we have to find out the cost of a single bag and the cost of 10 pen. So convert it into matrices 3 4 4 3. Okay, and x and y is equal to 257, okay, and 324. So now we have, this is matrix A, this is matrix X, and this is matrix Y, suppose B. Okay, so X is equal to, we know that A inverse and B. So first find out A inverse. So A inverse is equal to 1 over determinant of A. Now the determinant of A is 3 3s are 9 minus 4 4s are 16. So the determinant is minus 7. Okay, and multiplied by adjoint of A. So interchange these two, that will be 3 and 3, and change the sign of these element, minus 4 and minus 4. Okay, so the inverse will be equal to minus 3 divided by 7, 4 divided by 7, 4 divided by 7, minus 3 divided by 7. Okay, this is the inverse. Now we know that x is equal to A inverse B. So this one multiplied by this one. So minus 3 by 7 multiplied minus 3 by 7 multiplied by 257. Okay, plus 4 by 7 multiplied by 324, 4 by 7 multiplied by 324. Now the second row with this column, so 4 by 7 multiplied by 257 plus minus 3 by 7 multiplied by 324. Now we can simplify this equation. We can simplify this matrix. So the 257 divided by 7 multiplied by 3 minus 3 multiplied by 257 or plus 4 multiplied by 324. So it will give you 525 by 7. Mean from this you will get 75. Okay, and 4 multiplied by 257 minus 3 multiplied by 324 divided by 7. From here you will get what? 8. Okay, so the cost of a single bag is 75. The cost of a single bag is 75, and the cost of single pen is 8, and the cost of 10 pen will be 80. Okay, so this is the solution. Last question of this exercise: if twice the son age in year is added to the father age, for example the son age is x, the father age is y. So the condition is if 2 times of the son age is added to the age of father, it will equal to 70. Okay, twice the son of age of son is added to the father age, it is 70, but the twice the father age is added to the son. If the son age is added to 2 times of the father age, it will become 95. Now we have to find out the age of the son and the age of the father. So just convert it into matrix form. 2 1 1 2, okay, is x and y is equal to 70 and 95. Okay, so this is matrix A, this is matrix X, and this is matrix B. Now we know that X is equal to A inverse and B. So first find out A inverse. Okay, so A inverse is equal to 1 over determinant of A. So 2 2s are 4 minus 1, so that will be 3, and adjoint of this one, interchange the main diagonal and change the sign of the secondary diagonal. Okay, so this is equal to 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3 and 2 by 3. This is the inverse. Okay, now we know that X is equal to A inverse multiplied by B. So this row multiplied with this column. So 2 by 3 multiplied by 70, it will be 140 by 3, and minus 1 over 3 multiplied by 95, so it will be minus 95 divided by 3. Okay, now the second row with this column, so minus 1 over 3 multiplied by 70, it will be minus 70 divided by 3 plus 2 by 3 multiplied by 95, so it will be 190 divided by 3. Now you can simplify it. So from here you will get 45, and from here from here you will get, see, 140 minus 95, that is 45 divided by 3, so you will get 15. Minus 70 plus 190, it will be 120. 120 divided by 3, it will be 40. So the son age is 15 and the father age is 40. Okay, now you can verify it. 2 times of the son plus father age, so it will be 30 plus 40 is equal to 70. 2 times of the father plus son, so 2 times of the father is 80 plus 15, it is 95. Okay, so this was all about the solution of exercise 1.6. Thank you for watching. Subscribe the channel for more videos, comment if you have any question or suggestion, and share the tutorial with your friend. Thank you.